why everyone is EIYPO doubt fails and how to fix it. Everyone is EIYPO doubt is a very important concept to grasp because it helps you realize your potential as a creator and can help you manifest your every desire. But what happens in the case you have tried it but it doesn't seem to work? Or maybe even worse, it backfires? Stay with me until the end, because this video will answer every question on why it backfires, and not only this, but in the end I will give you 3 techniques to fix this. Hey, and don't forget, if you enjoy this kind of content, please subscribe to our channel. So let's start. Many have tried this and failed, so they just gave up. The thing is that with this concept, many people seem to have a problem when it comes to manifestation. And not only this, but sometimes it has the opposite result from the one you wished. Okay, let's say that you wish to manifest your ex back and try to implant love and forgiveness, etc. into their thoughts on this specific person. So the reason it backfires is because of your programming. So stay with me now, because the good stuff is coming. Instead of the usual mambo jumbo, I will give you 2 techniques to fix this. What do I mean by programming? Most of you already know, but I mean all the subconscious patterns that were implanted in us since our childhood, and we still carry them with us. Tell me, would you try to paint the walls of the half-demolished house? No. Wouldn't you try to fix the house first and then try to paint the walls? It is difficult to manifest love and certainty with a partner if you have spent your entire childhood being neglected and unloved, until you have healed at least part of the programming. Just like that, it would be difficult to manifest a partner to stay committed to you if you have experienced a childhood or a lifetime full of abandonment. These wounds stay with us. We carry them with us. What most people do wrong is that they try to put on top of their programming tiny bits of positivity, affirmations, etc. Or try to plant into their specific person's mind feelings of love towards them according to everyone is EIYPO doubt, when they don't feel that they deserve love because of their programming. If you wrongfully feel that you don't deserve love, how do you influence the other person to love you when everyone is EIYPO doubt? So let's see the steps on how to fix that. The first step is for you to recognize these patterns and behaviors that they exist and then act accordingly in order to solve them. The second step is to feed your unconscious mind with positivity. You should be aware of your mental diet, use whatever helps you, affirmations, subliminals, etc. Repetition always helps. But don't forget that it is much easier to use SATs, the state akin to sleep. So for the third step we have SATs, the state akin to sleep, not only to feed your subconscious with positivity, but also because it is easier to influence your subconscious at this state. Manifest your healing like that. By the way, these are my SATs videos, go check them out. And the fourth step is Neville's revision technique. Revise the past to change the future through imagination. And that was the end of our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the videos I showed you. Thank you, stay tuned for the next time.